milkshake. We're gonna be making a coffee milkshake, and we're gonna put the recipe in the description box. It's for 4 people.
And you only can get the recipe from Publix.
This was from Publix. It's for 4 people, but we're gonna cut it down so I can make it for 2 people because it's only me and Jamar.
And
gonna be drinking it, so we're gonna do the recipe for 2. So I'm gonna show you what we have and what you guys will need also. So we got some coffee ice cream.
You need that.
And we got
the cake from Publix.
Cake.
You didn't get that only from Publix.
That's right. This is only from Publix, guys. And I got some Hershey caramel syrup.
Did you get that from Walmart? Is that from Walmart?
This from Walmart. You can get it from Publix. We got some cow's milk, fat-free milk. This was from Publix. We got some. Let Jamar tell you some of the stuff.
Whipped cream. I'm gonna spray in my face one time.
From Publix. And we got. Tell them what's that.
I don't know. Coffee mix.
This is coffee bean, dark chocolate, espresso bite. These gonna give you the kick.
Only 3 things we got from Publix.
The rest we did have already in the fridge, so you guys could definitely make.
And you need a blender. Don't forget the blender.
Yeah, we're gonna be.
And you need measuring cups.
Yeah, maybe we're not gonna use it. We're gonna eyeball it, you know. And we're using the Ninja Bullet. You guys already see my Ninja Bullet in a lot of my videos.
My dad would.
Alright, so let's do this.
You know what to do?
Yeah, we know what to do.
The recipe in the description. Don't forget. And click that like button.
Yeah, get this video to 1,000 likes, guys.
If you like this, click it. If you don't like it, just don't click it.
No.
Hungry.
Ooh, look at that. Ticking nice.
So slow.
Alright.
Is that mine? You all get the same amount.
Woo!
Whipped cream! Come on, let's do it.
Ooh.
Like, did you put too much? Can I have some? How do you do it?
Up it, up it, up it. Some caramel syrup.
Is that yours?
Ooh, we're making a mess. And some coffee beans. We're gonna be tasting the coffee ice cream together.
It's really strong.
Ooh, this is so good, guys. You should try it.
They should make it with us.
Oh God, eu não deixei mais na parede não atar na coçada.
Cici! Let's say hi to Cici, guys. Hold on.
He's sad. Really sad.
Yeah,
Cici, say bye, guys. Say bye, guys. And guys, let me know if you're gonna try this recipe. It's so good. If you want to make it a grown-up drink, put some rum cream in there, and it's perfect. Bye again.
Remember to put the structure and then the description.
All right.